Okay, if you would like to run X window application from a remote server, you need to install X window server in your local machine. In this video, I'm going to show how to install Xmin, that is X window server, in your laptop or your desktop. This is the official web page to download Xmin software, straightrunning.com. Okay, you can Google search for Xmin. You will see straightrunning.com. From here, this is the official web page, Xmin X server. Here has several options. We would like to install this one from public domain release. That is a free download. You do not need to log in or have any other limitations. So click this Xmin. It's going to bring you to this page, and then the countdown, your download will start it. Here, first to save it, it's going to save into your download folder. Right click, run as administrator, since it's going to install it as you have to have administrative privilege to install it. Installation is very simple. Just click next. Do not change the default installation location. Next. Since previously I already has one, so it's okay. We just replace one. Here, I would like you to select don't install SSH client, since we are going to use PuTTY, so do not need to install SSH from here. Click next, 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 install. Okay, the first time is going to launch Xmin to finish your configuration. You will find this folder is already installed here. The first time probably you need to, if configuration window does not automatically pop up, you probably need to go to here to launch the configuration. Here several way to display. I think the default way is good. To select that one and start no client. Okay, we just need the X window server to start it. Nothing special. Okay, finish. It's actually the default is already there. Okay, the next step is going to install fonts, Xmin fonts. Since sometimes in the remote server fonts is different from your window local, so we are going to install the fonts. The same thing is going to jump to this page. The same thing, we are going to save it. Let's say current download. Okay, it's finished. Let's go to the download folder. This one. Same thing, right click, run as administrator. After you put into your administrator password and then going to run this application. So next, same things here. I think the default is good. There are several fonts. So click OK, next, next, install. Looks like a lot of files. Okay, finished. So that we finished our installation. If you want to run X window, you just need to run this one, Xmin. If nothing happens showed on here, it's actually running background. When you see the status bar has this Xmin server, and then you are good. Okay. After you confirm it's up and running on the background, you go to PuTTY. For example, you are going to try to log into Red cluster. Before you open it, go to SSH, select X11. Make sure you make a check mark here to enable X11 forwarding. Okay. After you make that check mark, save it. So in this way, the X11 is enabled. Okay, from this terminal, for example, you can run Firefox. Put % that is running on the background. Okay, your Firefox window is came out. This one is, you understand, this one is actually in the remote red, but the X window, the graphic interface bring to forward it to your local machine. You can try google.com and then you can serve to Google. And then whenever you download something, it's going to save into your home directory on the red. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. See you next time.